Hello students, welcome to the session of English grammar. Today we are doing the last topic, rectification of error. This is the picture which I had taken from the blackboard. It's not clear at all, I'm sorry. But I had to keep it here because I did not want you all to miss what I had taught in the class last Thursday. It is the topic of rectification of errors. But let's not spoil our eyes looking at this. I'll explain properly by looking at this. Now, rectification means we are trying to change the mistake that has been made. Rectify means to correct the mistake. An error is a mistake. So that is rectification of our errors, just as the name suggests. Now, this is a very simple topic, and since I don't have any books with me, I came to know from the books, I think from Jinan, Shakrish, they had the books with them. And it's given after probably every lesson of your textbook. So today there'll be just explanation, no practice work for you. Once I get hold of your textbooks, I'm going to make some practice work and send it to you. So please listen attentively. Rectification means trying to find the error of the sentence and making the correction. We make two parts like I've done it here. First is the column of error, and besides that you have the column of correction. And then there are sentences where you are finding the error. Once you find the error, you will underline it and you will write it in the column of the error as I have written it here. Now you can see a only woman, it's not the woman. So that's the mistake in the first sentence. Second is who have scaled. It is not who have, who has, because it is singular. Third is society which the birth. Society where the birth of a son, not were, was regarded as a blessing. Once you read the whole paragraph, you will come to know what are the mistakes. Please read the paragraphs thoroughly, find the mistakes, underline the mistakes, write them in the column of error, and then do the correction in the column of correction. This is exactly what you are supposed to do. It is not necessary that there is a mistake in every sentence. Please listen to this. But there usually is one. So be careful about that. Let's go to the second one. I used to be so lonely. There is no word like S-double-O. You only have T-double-O. Too lonely, not S-double-O. So that is the mistake here. So lonely. Maria recalled. It's not recall, it is recalls. My father was working, not were working, to keep my tennis going. So he couldn't see me either, not my either. I hope you have seen the mistakes that are there in the paragraph and the correction that is made. It takes much time, not take. To kill a tree, not a simple job. It's not job, it is jab. Jab means jorthi marvu. To kill with a knife is called jab. We'll do it. It has grown, not have grown, slowly consuming the earth, not a earth. Now the last two are a part of a poem. Like some, it is not same number, it is like any number of teenage sensations. She loves reading, not love reading. The last is the root is to be pulled out, not pulled up. Root you have to pull out. Pull out the roots, not pull up the roots. Of the anchoring earth, of course, it is A-E-I-O-U, but still we are talking here about the earth, so the anchoring earth is to be roped. Not are, it is. And again, and pulled, not up, but it is pulled out. So these are the errors that have been made in the paragraphs and the corrections that have been made. I have tried to find some more here, errors and the corrections. Same thing here also. Here the errors are underlined also for you and the corrections are also made, which you can see. This is not part of your textbook. I just found it somewhere. As I told you before, since I don't have your books, it was a little difficult for me to get hold of this topic. So now, since it's a very simple topic, I guess you have understood what it is. In every line, there is a simple error. It could be of tenses, it could be of gender, that is masculine and feminine. It could be of which word, that is again singular, plural. You have to think. It can be a very small error, so you have to just think and then make the necessary changes. That is was, were, me, have, has. These are very simple errors which you have to find them and see where they are there and then make the correction. So I hope you have understood this topic thoroughly. It is very simple for you to understand. Go through it. I promise to send you the exercise by the end of this week or the beginning of next week. Once you do the exercise, you will immediately know that it is pretty simple and not very difficult to deal with. Bye for now. See you soon.